Innocent cries, innocent lies. Where do they go? Where do they hide? They wanna play.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Education is an essential right, but the war in Gaza prevented children from receiving an education, and going to school has become impossible. But today with HDF, we are trying to continue the educational journey by organizing an educational day for displaced children in Gaza. Your donation makes a significant difference in children's educational life and prevent this generation from the ignorance. Jazakumullah khairan.
Children of Gaza, the Ummah is with you, the world is with you too, we'll never leave you. Children of Gaza, Allah's plan will come true, this promise is for you, with patience you'll get through. From the evil to the hate, to the lies they create, Palestine will be free, Palestine will be free. From the evil to the hate, to the lies they create, Palestine will be free, Palestine will be free. Imagine the skies where no planes fly, they'll play day and night, no eyes will cry. They just want hope that they can grow, achieve all their goals. We have a dream.